Alright guys, this is Daniel. He's helped me out build my roof rack for my solar panels. This is what we're doing so far. Hang on, stop. I gotta put the filter on so they can watch.
You have a filter for it?
Yeah.
Nice, bring it over here.
Well, it's not a self, you know.
Yeah.
I made a filter for it.
Nice. It's not beautiful, but it's not the worst one I ever made.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and do these sides now.
All right. Alright, so you can see what we're doing. I've revised how I'm going to build this thing. This is going to be the front rack. Then you're going to, right behind the front rack, you're going to have another rack that goes over the vent, but it's going to have two panels on it. This one's only going to have one. And then behind that, you're going to have a deck for me to sit on, and then behind that, back here, you're going to have a third panel. So one panel here, one panel there, two panels here with the hood you can see right there, the vent hood. We're going to have to break as high as that vent hood so that we can bring the panels in so they fit. And then approximately right there, where my finger's at right now, is going to be the deck, and then back here is going to be the third panel. And then I'll put the third panel, the fourth panel that I was going to put on the bus, I'll put it on the trailer along with the other two panels, so I'll have 3 on the bus and 3 on the trailer. Anyhow, that's it for now. We'll give you some more. We'll give you some more later. All right. Bye.
Ready?
Uh-huh. That way they get to see what the finished product was.
Yeah.
Hey folks, here we are welding up the rack again. More parts. And this is Connor. He was in my welding shop. He's doing a hell of a job. Let me show you what he did already. He beat me and Daniel. Daniel was the guy in the earlier. But you see that weld right there? That corner weld? Oh my God, that's beautiful. Anyhow, okay, so let me put the shade on and Connor can get busy welding.
There we go.
Mm-hmm. What the hell happened?
I don't know.
That's
It was just popping along.
that's That's a hell of a weld too. Look at that stuff. Oh man.
I think we're gonna need to clean that tip off.
Okay, that's probably the reason why I was doing that.
Yeah.
All right. See that tip there, buddies? You got to keep those things clean so they weld good.
What's that?
And let's see how good that one was. That one's pretty good. Another good one.
Sweet.
There's my stubby. You done, Stubby? Hey folks, I'm gonna show you the roof racks we've been working on. We've got 2 built. We still got 1, 2, 3 more to go. Each rack holds 1 solar panel, but these are huge solar panels. These are Canadian solar panels, and they're 77 inches by 40 inches or 39 inches. So here you go. This is these are the panels. That one there was the first one we did, right there. Got the areas cleaned up and painted so they don't rust. We just did this one today, this one right here, and we cut the pieces for the third one. So the first 3 drew out the top of the bus, sort of how I want it to look, like that. So this is how it's going to work. So here's one panel. This is at the front of the bus. These 2 here, you're going to have a vent in the front or in the middle. This one's going to be pretty much flat with the roof. These here are not. They got to be raised up about 12 to 14 inches so that they because these will not, all 3 of these will not fit on the roof, because this is 43 inches wide, this is 43 inches wide, and this is 15 inches wide. So you're going to be hanging off. So what we decided to do was these 2 panels are going to be raised up approximately 15 inches. And then back behind here, behind those, this is my emergency escape hatch. So we're building a rack around that. This is going to be a storage, like you put on a car. I have one, and I'm going to mount it to the top of the bus. Probably hold my inflatable raft on there, and maybe a few other things. It's fairly big. So here's the deck for me to sit on, sitting deck basically. And then behind that, and this will be level with the roof. This is the only one that's going to be raised right here. And then this is going to be at bus level, at roof level. Everything else is going to be at roof level except for this one right here. That was the only way we could figure out how to do it and have a roof, a deck also. So this is going to be level with the roof. This is going to be level with the roof, and this is going to be level with the roof. This is going to be about 15 inches high. And also, these are going to be 2 separate panels, but they can be bolted together once they get up, just to keep them sturdy. We'll just use a piece of flat plate metal that I get from Home Depot or something like that, and we'll bolt them together once they get up there. I'll probably have, we'll probably put like the first one up with the plates on it, and then we'll bring the second one up. Probably not a good idea, because that way you're going to have to be concerned whether or not this one's going between the 2 plates on this one here. So we'll probably leave the plates off until we get them both up. And both of them are going to have 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here. And we might even put something in the center. I don't know yet. I'm thinking about putting also expanded metal here. So that way you can walk past this to get to that one if you need to. Haven't really decided a whole lot on that. This will have expanded metal on it too, or wood. Haven't decided on that yet either. Just depends on really how easy it's going to be to make. Also, these decks right here are going to be 1x1 square tubing, 14 gauge. Same way with this one here. These 3 here, we got the wrong size metal, but we're making do with it. It was we got a 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch square tubing, 11 gauge. So it's these 3 panels here. These 3 racks are pretty heavy, but not too heavy. Anyhow, I just wanted to bring you up to date on what we're doing on this on my roof rack. We're hoping to have it done by the end of next week. So that'd be, well, that's close to getting close to August. So anyhow, that's what we got going on there.
It's now 5 p.m.
So anyhow, this is I'm thinking about going ahead and welding that together tomorrow. So that way we'll have the 3 racks built. And we can actually start putting them up on top of the roof and measuring for legs, because they are going to have short legs, really short legs. So measuring for the legs, I'll put them up there and put them on top of 2x4s, little pieces of 2x4s, scrap 2x4s, just to keep them off the roof and to basically, so we can measure and keep them steady. So anyhow, thanks for watching, and you're not seeing me very well, are you? All right, so thanks for watching, and please hit that button down there, right there. Yeah, right there. Subscribe button, and there will be a bell that appears after you hit the subscribe button. If you click that, then you'll be notified of new uploads. Also, if you would, right about here, there's like and dislike. If you dislike this, fine, dislike this video. But if not, please like it. That helps others know that this might be a video worth watching, and it can grow my channel. So, thank you very much for watching. Peace.